Okay, listen everybody, it's Market Michael here. Now, markets absolutely did not follow the pattern of the last couple of days. In fact, we're going on a buying spree right now. I can't believe central bankers would do this. They are disturbing the natural market cycles. If these markets weren't already propped up enough, they have the Plunge protection team buying stocks out the back door. Back door, front door, Operation Twist, don't matter. The fact is, they do it. The fact is, we need to audit the Fed. The market keeps exploding higher, but it's absolute, like, you would think that it would slow down. I said maybe around, I said like around here, right? Around here. I said, let's look here. I said yep, around this. I was like, there's no way this can sustain it. We're weakening. And look here, we get an increase. And we're topping off even more. Okay, so obviously at some point we're going to have to pull back from these highs. But we're talking here, we're talking a 100-point gain here. We're talking a 200-point gain in the Dow right now. We're looking at 7,022 resistance. Insane. Absolutely insane. Insane. I guess, and you know what's weird is nothing's moving. The biggest percent gainer right now is a 7% gainer. That's not normal market activity when the market goes up 200 points. You know what normal market activity is? 3 20%ers. That's normal market activity. If you're getting lower than 20%ers, that means there's extreme economic extreme market stress on the system. What we are currently seeing is extreme propping up of the markets. Extreme. Listen, this isn't normal market behavior. Now, obviously, this 200-point gain in the comp isn't what I had expected. Now, I was definitely wrong about this call, but no one in their right mind would come in here and buy stocks right here, or when they crashed in the morning. Right here. If that was the pattern, look, we're decreasing. We would have went into the red and failed. And then we would have went on a pattern down and tested, and at that point we would have been too much. But instead, the Fed saved it, bypassing that dip down. At this point, I would say that maybe stocks are okay. I'm not really sure. I'm really not sure what the situation is. At this point, it's more unlikely for stocks to drop 300, 400 points right now in order for it to test that moving average. It looks like we spent the last 3 days hovering around critical support, in which the Fed has gotten us out of. The Plunge protection team at their finest. So what are we forecasting? Well, besides this 7,022 critical percent right here, we have a critical 78%, around 7,050. Now, I just, what, you think this market's going to explode and go up hundreds of points every day? Is this finally it? We're going to get the market heaven? I don't know. I don't buy this. It's a bunch of shit. Although this is what we're seeing. We're seeing a run-up. A run-up across stocks. Now, I'm going to have to leave you on that. I'm going to have to leave you guys on this. Because this is just insane. Absolutely insane. It's good for the bulls. You know? Bulls are happy. Bulls needed this to get out of the hole. Otherwise, of course they're going to save the markets. You want to see something crazy? Look at here. absolutely insane. Look look at this run. Look at this run. This run is not normal. Same about right here. Same with from the open. This is absolutely not okay market phenomena. Not okay. This is not okay. But listen, we're living in the times of deception. We're living in the times of this horrible deception upon us, and this is one of the ways that we're being deceived is through manipulation. So they're manipulating things left and right. I don't know how. Let's see at the end of the day what happens, because we're gonna have a humongous giant green bar. Let's look at the dailies, guys, and then let's look at a weekly. Okay, so look at this daily. Yeah. So according to this daily here, I mean, you can't deny that green bar. That green bar is serious. Although, so is this green bar. But what did we have in this green bar? It still was decreasing on the MACD. What do we have with this green bar? Increase in the MACD, increase in strength. To me, it looks like today is a good day, even if we close off the highs right now. We're getting propped up by the central banks. Central banks buy stocks, that's a fact. They all team up and buy each other's stocks. Now, I just want to go ahead and look up the 10-year and the 30-year, because they must be buying so many bonds that it's making the inversion happen a lot sooner. There's an increase, 2.41. So what now, boys? What now? Are we looking at NASDAQ 9,000? That's what we're looking at. We're looking at NASDAQ 9,000. Now, how is this market gonna... How is this even... It's giving me a headache, guys. Well, look here. I don't know why my scanner isn't picking up this up, but we have 10x is up 53% now. It jumped from 8 to 12, and it's coming down on a gap up. We got RXII. Alright, boys, we got to end this. Have a nice day. See you later.